Hey everyone, we're delving into HP's latest product today, the HP Pavilion 16. For over 30 years, HP has been well known for producing dependable and affordable laptops that are ideal for daily productivity, office work, and educational purposes. Power, sustainability, and style are all combined in this year's HP Pavilion 16 to create a laptop that is both functional and environmentally responsible. The environmentally responsible design of the HP Pavilion 16 makes it stand out. The laptop's case has a contemporary, eco-friendly appearance since it is composed of recycled materials, including plastic that has traveled to the ocean. The Pavilion 16 is perfect for users who are constantly on the go because it weighs only about 1.8 kilos and fits easily in a backpack or luggage. The Pavilion 16 offers additional vertical space for productive tasks like working on papers or spreadsheets, thanks to its 16-inch Full HD IPS display, which has an aspect ratio of 16:10 and a resolution of 1920 by 1200. The screen has a maximum brightness of 300 nits and 100% sRGB color coverage, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, including work and video viewing. A potent Intel Core Ultra 5 CPU with 12 cores and a frequency speed of 1.3 to 4.3 GHz powers this laptop. With this setup, it can easily manage a wide range of jobs from office apps to more complex ones like multitasking or video editing. Additionally, it has Intel AC graphics, which enables seamless operation of multimedia applications and light gaming. Pavilion 16 provides quick system loading and plenty of storage for big files and apps thanks to its 512 GB Gen 4 NVMe SSD and 16 GB DDR5 RAM. Pavilion 16 offers quick, dependable connectivity with fewer disruptions thanks to its support for Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 6. Additionally, it has 1080p webcam with HP's TrueVision technology for incredibly clear video conversations. Even in noisy settings, your voice will be easily heard thanks to the laptop's twin digital microphones and noise reduction system. A comfortable typing experience is offered with a full-size keyboard with a numeric keypad. The touchpad is 34% larger than conventional versions for more accurate and seamless operation. Interestingly, the Pavilion 16 also comes with a Windows Copilot Plus key, which enables instant access to Microsoft's AI assistant and streamlines operations by utilizing AI's capabilities. Depending on usage, the Pavilion 16's 59 watt-hours battery can last up to 18 hours, which is plenty for a full day of light work or prolonged video viewing. HP's fast charge technology minimizes downtime for people who are always on the go by allowing you to charge up to 50% in just 30 minutes. With enough power for some creative work and light gaming, the HP Pavilion 16 is a well-rounded, practical laptop that performs very well in professional and educational duties. It is a sensible option for both work and play because of its extended battery life, strong CPU, and environmentally friendly design. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.